Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've finished editing, so start by opening the project you want to export. This reduces confusion later. Once the timeline is ready, select the project in Imovie and click the share icon to begin. Choose File from the Share menu to reveal export settings. This is where you control resolution, quality, and compression. Make sure to check duration and aspect ratio so the exported file matches your delivery platform. Then proceed to the detailed settings in the next step. Now set the technical parameters. Pick the resolution that fits your target, for instance 1080p for web or 4K for high-end delivery. Then choose quality. Higher gives better detail but larger files, so balance size versus fidelity. Select compress. Faster reduces time, better quality retains detail. Make your choice depending on deadlines. Rename the file and pick an output folder to keep versions organized. Once these are set, click Next to start encoding, which I'll walk you through finishing. Click Next, confirm the file name and destination, then press Save to begin exporting. Imovie will encode the video and show a progress bar. While encoding, make sure your Mac stays awake and has free disk space. Interruptions can corrupt the file. When export finishes, play the file fully to verify resolution, color, and audio sync. If issues appear, reopen export settings, lower compression, or choose a different codec. One key troubleshooting tip: if export fails, free at least 10% disk space and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.